Hello everybody, welcome to my project. The project is a blogging platform where you all can do blogging. Let us quickly go over what is a blog. The blog can be your online journal, for instance, where you will express your thoughts and feelings and share them with the world. It can be anything you want it to be, but the key to its success is providing a real value to your readers. So, at last, it all depends on the type of blog it is, of course. Okay, so this is a project of blogging called Indoblog. In this Indoblog, it is this project is made using PHP as a PHP language, and database used is MySQL. This too is used as a backend technologies, and in frontend technologies I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so in as we are not logged in, so it is displaying login and sign up button, and there are two tabs, home and contact. Okay, so in home tab it will display all the blogs uploaded by various bloggers of this platform. Okay, so these are the various blogs uploaded by these two users. Okay, in contact section, if a user is facing any trouble or any difficulties in the related to any functionality, so he can mail us by filling up this form. Okay, so let's check by quickly filling up this form. Okay, so let's hit the submit button. Mail has been sent, thanks for your response. Okay, so let's check the mail here. So we can see here the one email has came. You can see the name, email ID, contact number, and message that we have filled that in a form. Okay, so now let's proceed. In this search box you can search all the blogs uploaded by various bloggers. For example, I like this blog so much, and this blog is uploaded by this user. So I want all the blogs uploaded by him. So I will search here by typing his username. Okay, so I will get all the blogs uploaded by him. As of now there is only one blog, so it is showing only one blog. Okay, so this was the now let's check by typing some another username, example this. So it will display an error message that Jarvis user not found, because he is not registered on this website and I am trying to find its blogs. Okay, so this is a good response. And now let's quickly register on this website. Okay, so let's hit the submit button. Successfully registered. Now login. As we are successfully registered the website, now we are able to log in. Okay, so let's quickly log in. So now there are two tabs that are added additionally after login, and now the added functionality after login is we are able to get a like button. If we are liking this blog, then we are able to hit a like button to give them a great response. Okay, so let's try this. Previously it was 3, now it is 4. Previously it was 4, now it is 5, as you can see here. Okay, now let's hit the like button again for the same blog that we have liked previously. So it will not increase the like as we have liked it previously. Now let's check it. This will also not increase because we have already liked it. Okay, so in context section the added is then the username and the first name which was associated with the username is by defaultly pasted here, means added here, and this is only read only, so we cannot change this also. The left over this is you have to only add the contact number and the message that is difficulty that you are facing. Okay, in upload section you are able to upload the blocks, and in my blog section you are able to see the blocks that you have uploaded. As of now there are no blocks uploaded, so it is showing that you have not uploaded any blocks yet. Okay, in view profile section you are able to see your profile details. Total blocks up plus total blocks uploaded, there are 0, and total likes collected 0, because as of now this is a new account, so we have not uploaded any block, so it has not get any like. Okay, so let's upload the block. For example, I am uploading a block which I had typed previously. Okay, so the blog is successfully uploaded. Now I am able to see the blog in my blog section, and you can see here that the continue reading button is shown. This button is shown because if the content of your blog crosses or extent is greater than 300 characters, so it will display a continue reading button. Okay, so you are able to see now the whole content. Previously it was not shown fully. Now when you will hit the continue reading button, it will show you the full content uploaded by the user. Okay, it's the same functionalities in home. You can see these two posts, the content of these two posts are crossing 300 characters, so the continue reading button is being displayed, and here the content is not crossing 300 characters, so the whole content is shown here only. Okay, so now let's try to upload a new blog. It should be only simple only. Okay, so your current blog is successfully uploaded. Okay, you can see this in home section. In home section you will see the new blogs as they are uploaded recently. As of now, first of all I uploaded this blog, then this blog, so this is a recent blog, so it is showing first, then this. Okay, you can also hit the like button. Okay, so it has increased to 1, and in context section the same functionality, and in upload section, in my blog section, you are also you can delete the blogs. For example, I have to delete this blog, so I will delete this. Selected blog deleted successfully. Okay, so that blog is deleted. These are the alerts that I have used. Okay, so let's see in the view profile section. So total blogs uploaded was 1, and total likes collected is also 1. Okay, so now let's see the database design. Okay, so this was in sign up, it will contain all the data that a user is when the user is registering on the platform, Indoblog platform. So these are the details that were filled by the users. Okay, in this the username is the unique key, so it will contain only the unique usernames. Okay, and in post section it will contain all the posts uploaded by different users. So you can see this, likes, the total likes the blog is containing. Okay, and in post like section you are able to get a author and like by. The author is the blog that is uploaded by the author, and like by is the likes which are liked by different users on the various users on the data on this platform. Okay, and this is a post id of the post. This is the here this is the s number and there it is a post id. Okay, so now let's log out. Now we can see, now we can log in with a different user. For example, I log in with this user Pankaj and the password is Pankaj1234. Okay, okay, so I'm logged in with Pankaj. So here he has uploaded only one blog. Okay, so let's see his profile. Total blogs uploaded 1 and total likes collected is also 1. Okay, now for example, if I have forgot my password, so I can also get my password from here. Now for example, I am typing an email address that is never registered on this website. This email address does not exist. It is showing this message because this email address has not registered, has never registered on this website, and I am trying to add this email address and trying to get this password, so it will not allow this. Okay, so let's check with the correct email address. Okay, so let's submit it. So the mail has been sent to your registered email address. Okay, so we can check the mail. So we can see this Indoblog email for a forget password. So this is the email ID and the username associated with this email ID is Arun and the password is 12345678. Okay, so this was my project. Thank you for seeing this.